Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Adidas. So let me take you to their website first, which is adidas.com. Once you'll try to reach adidas.com, it will redirect you to your regional website. And for the ones who don't know what is Adidas, well, come on, they're famous, so you would definitely be aware of it. But still, I'll cover a bit. Adidas is a multinational corporation that designs and manufactures athletic and casual footwear, apparel, and accessories. They are one of the largest sportswear manufacturers in the world and have partnership with many top athletes and sports teams. So they're pretty famous out there. People love them, especially if you're a sport enthusiast, and you would be using the product as well. And we are not here to buy products right now. Like, we're not here to buy any of these products, but rather we're here to earn some money from Adidas. And can we do that? Yes, we can definitely do that. And how can it be possible? Through the affiliate program of Adidas. So we can join the affiliate program of Adidas and start promoting them and bring sales to them. And when we do that, we could earn commission from them. So that's how it would work. So to learn about the affiliate program of Adidas, let me take you to this URL, which is this. Uh, you don't have to take the note of it right now because you'll find this link within the video description as well. You may directly go to this link and read this stuff out. But here it says that what is our affiliate program? They're trying to explain it. The most important thing is this one: commitment to high standards, where they say what kind of affiliates they're looking for. They're looking for someone who are passionate about Adidas brand and lifestyle, and those kind of people who love things centered on sports, fashion, and trying new things. And they want these people to have an engaged audience. That means engaged traffic. And this audience should be targeting between men and women between 18 to 24. So these are the affiliates which are kind of ideal for Adidas, but that's not limited. Adidas also gives opportunity to other affiliates out there as well. So it doesn't cover, this page doesn't cover all the things about affiliate program. It just would give you an idea whether you would be a good fit for them or not. So let's say you read it and you want to join the affiliate program of Adidas. How can you do that? For that, you have to come to the website, which is impact.com. Now, what is impact.com? Impact is an affiliate marketing network out there. In affiliate marketing, if you want to promote any brand, not any brand, but like high number of brands out there, then you must have an account with affiliate network. Affiliate network work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. They allow affiliates to get connected with brand and promote them. So to join the affiliate program of Adidas, you must have an account with Impact, because Adidas is part of Impact when it comes to the affiliate program of Adidas. So to how to join Impact as an affiliate, that's the question. To join that, you can click on request a demo and you can do the sign up process from there. But I also agree it's not easy to create an affiliate account with affiliate marketing networks. There's a lot of complexity involved, so don't worry about it. I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Impact.com. You will find the link of that video as well in the video description. You can read it, follow the instructions, and create an account with Impact. So let's say you got yourself an account with Impact.com. Then how do you sign in? You click on sign in. This should take you to this page. Then you can enter the username and password and click on sign in, which will then take you to something called dashboard. You may call it affiliate dashboard. So when you will create an account with Impact, you'll be getting access to this dashboard. And this is a place where you would be able to explore different brands and apply to their affiliate program and get the tracking links, start promoting them. So how do we find those brands, including Adidas? For that, you can click on brands and you can click on find brands, which should take you to this page. And in here, so right now we are looking at all brand section. So it will show not just Adidas, but it will show all the other brands which are part of Impact as brands. As you can see, currently we are seeing over 3,900 brands. Not just Adidas, you could just apply to the affiliate program of any of these brands and start promoting them. But that's not why we are here. We are here to apply to the affiliate program of Adidas. For that, over here where you see on the top right hand side, where you see name, ID, and keyword, you can search for Adidas and do enter. Just type in Adidas and do enter, and then you would be able to see different program of Adidas. So here it's for Adidas Mexico, then we got Adidas Canada, then just Adidas Australia and partnership marketing, and the last one, which would be Adidas. But then observe, so it has the location. Now this location could be your location or could be the location of your traffic. Let's say if you have most of the traffic coming from Mexico, then this program is best suited for you. Same way, if you have traffic from Australia, then this program is suited for you. For each program, observe the commission rate. For Adidas Mexico, it's somewhere between 7 to 10. So depending on the program that you will be joining, the commission rate would differ. And again, only you can apply for the branch which kind of says the location, which is matching your traffic. So let's say if you have Mexican traffic, go for this program. Otherwise, for the Canadian, go for this, which provides 5%. And then the Australia, which provides 3%. And the last one, which is Adidas, but they don't provide any. Look at it. Sales is 0%. So don't join this one. So let's say you're not having traffic from Mexico, Canada, or Australia, or even your location is none of these, then you could just go with this one, the partnership marketing, since it doesn't say any location name with the name. So I guess it's fine to go with it. You can click here, and over here, you will see the option view terms and a bit about Adidas as well. You can click on details to see what they're providing. Though it says here where we service United States, it's okay to apply. And let's see, how open they are to promoting. You also have an option not just to apply to this specific program, but we also show other Adidas affiliate program. You can also click on the tiles, and you will see this option. And you probably want to apply to all of them just to see that you get the approval from which of their program from which location. So currently for this one that we clicked on, they're providing 2% commission. And let's say if you're interested to join this affiliate program, you can click on apply. When you do that, it will show you this. It will ask you to tell partnership marketing, why partnership marketing, as in like Adidas, why you want to work on this campaign. You can write about like why you want to work, and be descriptive here. It's very important because you want to impress these people so that they could give you the approval and you can start promoting. So you can write about your idea and then click on apply. So your application to them would gone. But why did you stop there? Like I would suggest, if your location or if your traffic location is matching none of these styles, then probably you want to apply from all, like from this, and this. So in our case, and even like for Adidas Mexico, I could get up to 10%. So I can either click on tile or I can directly click on apply. When I do that, I can just write, okay, why I want to promote, or, be a bit descriptive about myself. I can write it and I can click on apply. But ensure you read the terms as well. So this way, you can either apply to just one tile from here, the tile for the affiliate program, or you could just apply to all these 1, 2, 3, and 4 that we discussed about. So let's say when you apply to the program, you would be able to see all the applications within this section only. So as you can see, all brands featured, and more. So you can just explore, whatever application being sent out. And when the application would go to the Adidas team, they will review your information that you must have given while creating an account with Impact. And if they see that you're a good fit for them, they will give you the approval, which could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. So you can wait for them. And once you get the response from them, you like the response on your application, you'll be notified via an email. So let's say they approved you, then how can you promote them? For promoting them, you need tracking link. It's not like you get approval, you directly go to the website, pick any link and you can promote. No, in affiliate marketing, getting the tracking link and promoting the brands using tracking link is of topmost important. To get the tracking link, you can again come to the homepage of Impact. You can sign in, which should take you to this page. When you would have gotten the approval from them, you would be able to see the name within this drop down. Within create a link, you can select the name, you can enter the any web page of the website and click on create. So this should create a tracking links for Adidas, and then you can just start promoting those tracking links. That's one way. Second way to get the tracking link of your approved brands such as Adidas, you could go to content, you can go to assets, and you can try to find the tracking links from there. So let's say you got a tracking link. How can you promote them? You can promote them either on your website or blog. And when it comes to the social media page, for that, you must want to read the terms to see if there's any clause against it. If there is, then you might want to avoid promoting them on social media accounts, but they're generally okay with websites and blog. So let's say you you have started promoting them and you have been generating commission. So all the commission that you will generate, you will see within your homepage on this quick bar. And apart from it, you can also go to report and you can just explore different sections to see like overview to see how much you have been earning from Adidas. But the question is, how will you get that commission, the commission that you have earned? So Adidas will pay the commission to Impact, and then Impact will issue that commission to you via the payment method that you have set up on your affiliate dashboard that you have at Impact. Now, how do you set up your payment method? For that, you can click on these three dots on the bottom left hand side, and then you can click on settings, which should take you to this page. In here, you can scroll down till bank account section and you can update your banking information here. Once you update your banking information, you would be able to get the payment via electronic funds transfer. You can decide that how much money you want to wait for before Impact issue the payment to you. So that's how you can create an account with Impact. You can find and apply to the affiliate programs of Adidas, get the tracking link, start promoting them, and get the commission that you generate for them. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you. And any question that you got in terms of affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video like this I create, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.